What's up, guys? We got the pizza oven assembled. You can see it looks very nice. It was very easy to assemble. You got the chimney here. You can open and close the vent. You got these little different hooks you can hang different tools from. You got your pizza spatula that hooks up right here, your brush right here. The door very easily opens up like that. You can see the inside of it. And then you close it like that. Very simple. We're gonna go ahead and cook some pizzas tonight. We're gonna show you guys how they come out.
Before you're going to use the oven, you got to make sure you cure it. So there's a lot of tutorials how to cure your actual oven. Just to make sure you burn off any kind of extra excessive paint or any other dust particles or any metal pieces. So just make sure you do this first before doing using the actual oven.